Today we're going to talk about one topic that can make or break your personal brand and your online business, and that is the C word. Now I know what you're thinking, why should we listen to you, Stephen? Well, I've run a social media agency for over 11 years, I've built a profitable personal brand, and I've mastered the C word. I've taught my kids to do the same and they're crushing it. Both have got YouTube channels. My eldest daughter got her first job off the back of her YouTube channel. She got her first college place off the back of her YouTube channel. It goes to show anyone who has been a child and now a parent will know that the last thing kids do is take advice from their parents. But hey, they've cracked it. So kids and parents alike, you will want to take some notes. Because today I'll be sharing my tried and tested 30-day daily diary challenge, plus some top tips from the guru himself, Mr. Tony Robbins. And they will really help you step up your game when it comes to the C word. So stick around. So you want to start an online business. Perhaps you're already running one. Or maybe you're a parent entrepreneur or solo entrepreneur or even a seasoned business owner, but he's new to the online world. Regardless, you will need one thing to succeed, the C word. And it's that little thing that bugs everybody, and it's called confidence. And not just any confidence, but the courage to put your beautiful smiling face on camera. Yes, data shows that faces and eyes build trust. Being confident and showing your face online is not just a nice to have in 2023 and beyond. It is an absolute must. Data shows that 80% of the internet is lurking, while only 20% are creating content. That means that 80% lack creative confidence. So today, I'm going to give you the blueprint to turn your confidence on in an instant. Because it's high time you got comfortable on camera. Now, you might be wondering, why not just focus on products and benefits like the good old days? Well, that's because they are the good old days. They're just the good old days. Nowadays, the fastest way to warm your audience up is through a personal connection. So if this resonates with you, smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe for every time I launch a video, because this now is gonna get spicy. Spicy. Why did I say spicy? So how did I get the audacity to even talk about this? Well, I've built a personal brand, leveraging the law of attraction and attraction marketing. I turned my personal brand, yes, this beautiful smiling face in front of you, into a growth machine. I've built an agency and I've worked with all manner of businesses, small, medium, local, international. I was selected for a TED Talk and I've even partnered with a brand that worked with the UN. And one of the most recent coaching clients of ours has just hit over 1 million views with her TikTok videos. And 12 months ago, she couldn't even get on camera. Now, I don't share this to impress you, but to impress upon you. You attract what you put out. But I've also learned to lean into my strengths. And that's something we all need to do. Focus on your strengths and hire or get support for the weaknesses. So if your confidence and video is your weakness, I'm here to give you the strength. However, before I do, if you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below as we go along. I live and die by the 80-20 rule. Spend 80% of your time leaning into your strengths. And so that means keep being you. Your personal brand, your heart will serve you, young Jedi. And use the remaining 20% to improve on one impactful skill that you're maybe not so good at. Trust me, this strategy works. So let me give you the tools to grow your confidence that will attract people in their droves to your social media accounts, your awesome content, and your business. So you will have heard me talk about the digital journal exercise, more commonly known as your daily diary. Press record for 1 or 2 minutes. You share your thoughts and feelings or whatever's going on in your life. Now, before you troll me in the comments, you might be thinking, hey, Stephen, this is where I'm stuck, you fool. I don't like what I look like. I don't like how I sound. Hence, I can't do video. This is done in private. Just you and your phone. And you can even hit delete and send it into the universe when you want to. This practice helps you get comfortable pressing that record button and lays the foundation for you to create more public facing content in the future. It's literally a stepping stone if you're not creating public content already. So either while you're doing the 30-day challenge or maybe once you've completed it, we want to take it up a notch with a few additional steps. The first one is to visualize your success. Before you press that record button, take a moment to visualize how you want to appear and feel on camera. Envision your success, because seeing is believing and feeling amplifies that belief. The guru of personal growth, Tony Robbins, talks about state change. This is the next phase. It's crucial for elevating your energy. I love to blast my favorite rock tunes before I record a video. Trust me, you need to really pump yourself up because the camera tends to drain 20 to 30% from your energy. Hence why I use music. So my favorite rock tunes, my fight song, if you will, I use that to elevate my energy, because there's no point me just going, yeah, this is me on camera normally. I want to be front and center with energy so that you will continue to watch. Now, another of Tony Robbins' tips are power moves. Yeah, we'll borrow this one from Tony. I tend to do my content sitting down, so I sit on the edge of my seat, I put a cushion behind my back, and beforehand place my hands on my hips or push my chest out and feel like the superhero I am. You can do this standing up, but the idea is it's a posture adjustment to boost the confidence. Because let's look at it. If I'm sat here like this, yeah, I'm okay, I'm chilled. But if I'm sat here like this, I'm at the front and center and I'm attentive, and you're more likely to watch someone who's doing this than rather than just someone who's doing this. Now, I teach all of these in my Video Secrets program. It literally gives you the courage before the confidence. And I'll put a link in the description below so you can take a look for yourself. So there we have it. The 30-day daily diary challenge. Visualize success. State changes with the power of music and power moves. And these all lift your energy, raise your vibration so that you appear more confident on camera. These are tried and tested methods. And if any of these resonate with you, smash the like button and be sure to subscribe. It really helps information like this reach more people like you. You can do this. It's achievable. I've done it. I've taught the toughest students, my kids, and I've helped countless clients. If you're ready to build the lifestyle business if you've always dreamed of, then check out this next video around here, which will give you my blueprint on how I made £126,000 in my first 8 months of business. Take care, much love, Big Daddy out.